person leader that has just got his hand on at the moment. He's the driver. The other man to that hill first, and I should say then, I suppose these days, it's the steering first. So you've got the driver and the steering first. Be careful, as I am. And if you want to go back to the previous question, or we just for a moment, at the moment you just move that lever back, and then you'll see that the flywheel the other side goes the other way, and that there is no reverse gear as such. Make the engine turn the other way. For the technical minded of you, you think about 2-stroke, 4-stroke engines. This is a 1-stroke because the piston is both backwards and forwards, both feet twice. So we have the cold water under the back here, cold in the back, the fire going. Always little an option. Put a little bit of water in at the time, otherwise you make it when the pressure comes down. Lose your steam pressure, put too much coal on the fire dies, lose pressure. So it's all instead of a matter of an option. To get water into the boiler, you've got 2 systems that you can use. You can either use a pump or what they call an injector, and I'm going to let the drivers talk about that sort of thing because they know a lot more about it than what I do. This thing on the back here, called that the Styrofoam, that go into to break up the tarmac.